What if I told you that one quiet spot on your body may influence your energy, circulation, confidence, and even how fast you age? Not a pill, not a supplement, not a miracle gadget, just 60 seconds. And most men have never been taught it. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why ancient physicians protected this technique for emperors, and how you can use it today to support your vitality long after 60. Let's talk honestly. Most men don't suddenly fall apart at 50 or 60. They fade. Energy drops quietly. Morning motivation disappears. Sleep becomes lighter. Recovery slows. Confidence feels different. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Modern life is actively designed to weaken your nervous system. Long sitting, constant stress, shallow breathing, poor circulation, endless stimulation. Your body never fully enters repair mode. And when your nervous system stays stuck in fight or flight, everything downstream suffers. Hormones, blood flow, muscle maintenance, sexual function, mental clarity. Most men chase solutions outside themselves, but ancient medical systems always started inside, with circulation, with breathing, with the nervous system, which brings us to a small but powerful area of the lower abdomen. Across multiple traditions, not just Chinese medicine, the lower abdomen has been viewed as a control center for vitality. Japanese systems call it the hara. Martial artists train from it. Breathing practices emphasize it. Modern anatomy gives us a different language, but confirms something important. This region sits over dense nerve networks connected to pelvic circulation, autonomic nervous system regulation, hormonal signaling pathways, core stability muscles. In simple terms, this is where your body decides whether to conserve energy or restore it. And buried here is a specific point known traditionally as Guan Yuan and clinically referred to as CV4. Let's remove the mystical framing. When you apply steady pressure to this area, you stimulate sensory nerves that communicate directly with your autonomic nervous system. That system has two modes: sympathetic, stress, alertness, survival; parasympathetic, rest, digestion, repair. Most modern men live permanently in sympathetic mode. CV4 stimulation nudges your system toward parasympathetic. That matters because parasympathetic activation is where testosterone production is supported, blood vessels relax, inflammation lowers, tissue repair increases, sleep deepens, sexual response improves. This isn't magic, it's physiology. You're telling your nervous system, you're safe. Here's how to find it. Place your hand flat on your lower abdomen. Put your pinky finger on your belly button. Where your ring finger lands, about 4 finger widths below the navel on the center line, that's the spot. Press gently. Most men feel slight sensitivity or warmth there. That's normal. It means nerve activity is present. This is best done first thing in the morning, before coffee, before checking your phone, before stress enters your body. Lie on your back, bend your knees, place the pads of 2 fingers on the point. Apply firm but comfortable pressure, never painful. Then breathe like this. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 2. Exhale for 6. Longer exhale activates your parasympathetic system. Maintain pressure for 60 seconds. You may feel warmth, gentle pulsing, a spreading sensation. That's circulation responding. That's your nervous system shifting gears. Here's where most men fail. They try it once, feel something, then forget about it. Your nervous system adapts through repetition, not force. This is conditioning. Think of it like brushing your teeth. One time doesn't matter. daily changes everything. Performed consistently, this simple practice teaches your body to access repair mode more easily. Over time, many men notice more stable daily energy, improved sleep, better circulation, stronger morning function, calmer mood, increased body awareness. Not overnight, over weeks. After 40, testosterone gradually declines, blood vessels stiffen, inflammation rises, recovery slows. Your nervous system becomes less adaptable, which means you must actively support it. Young bodies bounce back automatically. Older bodies require intentional care. This practice helps restore communication between brain and body. It reminds your system how to relax deeply. And relaxation is not weakness. Relaxation is where regeneration happens. Let me save you months of frustration. Mistake number 1, pressing too hard. Pain activates stress. Gentle firmness activates repair. Mistake number 2, inconsistency. Skipping days resets adaptation. Mistake number 3, expecting instant miracles. This is nervous system conditioning, not caffeine. Progress is subtle, until one day you realize you feel different. Ancient systems often paired physical practices with nutrition, not supplements, simple foods that support circulation and nerves. 3 modern equivalents that work well. Green tea supports calm alertness and blood flow. Ginseng improves circulation and stress resilience. Natural fruit sugars fuel nerve signaling. Taken before your morning practice, these help prepare your system. But here's my personal addition: hydration. Most men wake dehydrated. Drink water first. Dehydration thickens blood and slows nerve signaling. Start with hydration. Then apply pressure. Week 1, you feel sensations during practice. Week 2, energy stabilizes. Mornings feel clearer. Week 3, sleep improves. Circulation feels stronger. Week 4, you notice sustained vitality. Not hype, adaptation. Let's zoom out. This isn't about chasing youth. It's about preserving autonomy, strength, presence, your ability to move freely, to think clearly, to feel grounded in your body. Most men don't fear death. They fear dependence. They fear becoming fragile. They fear losing relevance. Practices like this remind your nervous system that you're still in control. That matters more than any supplement. Never use painful pressure. If you've had recent abdominal surgery or serious medical conditions, consult a professional first. This supports health. It does not replace medical care. Here's the quiet truth. Aging doesn't destroy men. Neglect does. Your body is still listening, even at 60, even at 70. It responds to attention, to consistency, to calm. 60 seconds a day won't make you immortal, but it can reconnect you with your own physiology. And once that connection returns, everything changes. So tomorrow morning, before the world grabs you, take 1 minute, press gently, breathe slowly. Let your body remember what it already knows. And that's how real strength comes back.